Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashimary once more. This is the packaging as usual, very clean and professional. First thing that I'm seeing once I open the box is the wig, which we're gonna get into. It got a bag of goodies. All right, so in this bag I got a pair of wig caps. I also got a elastic band, edge brush and comb. Also got a pack of lash clusters and a information card, and then this is today's wig. This is actually a 360 Invisi-Strap lace front wig. It's everything, pre-pluck, pre-bleach, pre-cut, and it's 24 inches long. By the way, the density and everything will be listed down below, but it is constructed to perfection. As you can see, it's branded. It has comb on the inside of the cap and a adjustable strap, and that makes installation very easy. This is also a glueless wig. Okay, so my beginners, tap in, because this is gonna be perfect for you. Everybody that also don't want to have to be confined to a wig for a long period of time. It came with these lace tapes inside of the cap at the sides to make the sides lay really flat, which I absolutely love. And they did send a few more lace tapes in the packaging as well. Now you see that lace? It looks as if I literally did a whole meltdown with adhesive, and I didn't. As you can see, all it is just tapes on the side. The rest of the lace has absolutely no product, so that right there is absolutely gorgeous. One thing about Ashimary, they're gonna construct a flawless wig, and this is definitely one of them. Okay, like that looks like it's going for my scalp. Okay, so I went ahead and I just made sure to press this both sides down really nicely.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you deep.
And then I pretty much just went into adjusting the Invisi-Straps at the side, okay, to make it even more secure in the back. And then I took away the excess string. That's all you need to do. You literally adjust the knobs on the Invisi-Strap, and that's it. They also sent an extra Invisi-Strap in case you need it. But yeah, absolutely no baby hairs nor nothing needed. This is a clean pullback look, and I'm so here for it. Now the hair is nice and full, but remember it's also a 360 wig, so I had to go ahead and do a quick updo to show you guys the versatility. If you want to go ahead and do 2 ponytails, 3 ponytails, feel free to go ahead and do it. This is gorgeous, literally right around, because in the back it does look natural as well, which you're gonna see in a bit. But I literally just threw that up in a bun, and it was really easy to do. The wig rather was really secure in my head, still not shifting or anything, very comfy, not heavy. Like, look at that. Yeah, so gorgeous. And as I said, the back does look natural and it lays really nicely as well. Look at that, it's giving messy updo, and I love it. And then if you want to go ahead and do like a flip over voluminous look, you could definitely do that like I'm doing here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love the way that looks, super full and nice. I did get some shedding, by the way, so that's something to note. But also, if you want to go ahead and explore other styles, this is how the parting space is, and it looks like scalp. It's giving scalp. As I said, it's pre-bleached, so that is a 10 out of 10. Then I went ahead and I wet the hair with just water. If you want to go ahead and add anything else to keep the curls popping for a longer time, you could add conditioner, mousse, or any curl defining product. But I just added some water here because I did want the hair to fluff up back pretty quickly after spraying it down with the water. No, the hair was still full after spraying it with water, so I really enjoyed that as well.
stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby.
And that's pretty much it, guys. That is how the wig looks. It's super flawless, 10 out of 10. This is also affordable, and as I said, perfect for the beginners. If you want this wig, the link is listed in the description box. All the specifications are listed as well. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Make sure you subscribe for more looks, like this video, share this video. Shout out to Ashimary once more for today's bomb wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.